yes guys, I hope you would have seen the previous video. I have added a couple of music and tried my best to do it well. And yeah, so the thing was, first two destination was a failure, Chamundi Hills and Gopalasamy Betta. What happened in Gopalasamy Betta was Chamundi Hills is closed, Gopalasamy Betta is not closed, but you'll have to take a bus, you'll have to park your bike in a parking lot and take a bus, and then you'll have to, you know, go inside and come back. So that is not, we are not a bus person, we are riders, and that is the reason we came from such a far off place. But it was fun. Then we took the other route, we went inside Bandipur, and it was crazy. So yeah, and also few things, Chamundi Hills is closed currently. I think it's open during weekdays but not during weekends, so just look into that before planning your trips. But it was never a waste. We had plan A, plan B and plan C worked out well. Previously I would have told if plan A and B is not working, we'll head back home, but plan C worked out well and it was amazing, and it was raining as well, kind of, you know, mild drizzling and all of those. It was an amazing ride, blissful, and ending the weekend on a high note. Today is Saturday, tomorrow we might take some rest, and then cool, that was the scene today. And also few things, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, consider subscribing. There is a big ride plan coming your way. I'm not very sure I'll be doing it or not, but something that is coming your way, and few upgrades for my bike I have kept in my mind. I'm going to do that as well, to change our Rebla into a complete touring bike. So I'm not going to do any painting or anything. There will be a lot of stickering and all of those, but planning to fit a top box and panniers and all of those. So it's still thinking about it. Let's see how it goes. And one more thing about what is it? Yeah, coming back to the subscribing part of thing. Do subscribe if you have liked the video. And also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. So why I keep saying you guys to click on the bell icon is very simple. As soon as I post the video, you get a notification which will help you to, you know, easily access my videos. I will be traveling to a lot of hidden places as well, like off-roading trials. I'm not kind of off-roading person, but let's try what's wrong in that. So I know nothing wrong in trying, right? So there's no harm in trying, so that is why I thought of like planning for organizing group rides as well. Do support me in Instagram. My Instagram ID is in the description. Click on the link and go ahead and subscribe. Sorry, not subscribe. You'll have to just follow me, so that each time wherever I go, I keep updating. Today I couldn't update my Insta stories. Once I'm home, I will surely update it. And one more thing, our subscribers count is around 1010. I have hidden it for now, just like that. Nothing crazy about it, just hidden it. It took me a year to, you know, reach this 1000 subscribers. I know the progress is slow, lacking behind in the quality of content as well. I totally agree with it. When it comes to editing and all of those, I'll have to improve, because it's very important, and to make things much more attractive, editing is very important. Though I shoot videos, editing is very important. So keeping all of these in mind, I also have a lot of other plans. You will be seeing it in my upcoming videos, and as always, do keep supporting and show some love to small channels and solo creators like us. Thank you so much for all your support, love and support, and keep supporting. And that's it for today's video. Bye from Franklin. Stay safe. It's fine, you can roam now outside, but roam responsibly. That is what I would say. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye. So we are here near Mysore Palace. Such a beautiful place. It's been a long time. I'll just take a pic. Nice place, guys.